Good morning, it's Nick Brandon from tecwork. Hope you're okay. I thought I'd just make a short video today about a recent project we've completed for a customer that wanted a new phone system. And the reason I'm making a video about it is because this customer was very demanding in terms of the features that they needed. I put their phone system in about 15 years ago and they've had it. They had it for about 12 years, and about 3 years ago they upgraded it with a competitor's system who overpromised and underdelivered big time. So we've been talking to them for quite a while about doing something for them, and we basically had to come up with a solution that fitted all their requirements, which was really quite something, I can tell you. Now, this particular customer are a market research company, so they have users all over the world that are constantly making calls to do market research on behalf of their clients, and they're making calls to all over the world. They make about 600 to 1,000 calls a day, and the thing is they have about 50 people doing this across the world, and most systems would basically need them to pay for 50 users on the system if it's a hosted system, which is what really it needs to be to be a sort of globally accessed system. So that was a real problem. So they also wanted the ability to have conference calling, soft phones, so not having any handsets, just using software to make calls. They wanted supervisors to get information and to be able to message users. They wanted to see who was on the phone, visual status, being able to barge into calls if they wanted to. They wanted to be able to change the outbound presentation number of the calls depending on what project they're working on and what international country they're calling. So that was a real difficult requirement really for us. So we had to come up with a system that allowed them to do that. They wanted users to be able to log into the system based on the project that they're working on and their user status, and they wanted to be able to report both on the user and the project, or both, which is quite a thing, I can tell you. They also wanted calls recorded, and they wanted to have a click to dial set up from their CRM system using their Chrome browser. They also wanted different after hours night service messaging depending on the time of day and whether they were calling from the US or various other destinations. They wanted to be able to easily add users, projects and codes, and they wanted to be able to export stats to their other software and potentially dialing from Microsoft Teams. So this was a real feature list, but we did come up with a solution for them, and I'm not going to tell you exactly what it is, but it's a hosted software-based system which is hosted on Amazon Web Services using a different combination of SIP trunk providers, and it basically does everything they want. And they've had it now for about 3 months, and we had the following review. Nick and the tecwork team have a flexible approach in order to meet our needs, trying new and innovative solutions, and are providing an excellent level of customer service. We have had Nick as a supplier of telecom solutions to our company for 15 years and have always found the service and support to be excellent. I wholeheartedly endorse and recommend them, and if we have future needs, I would not hesitate in using them again. So we're very happy, the customer's very happy. It really was quite a demanding solution, this one, and I'm pleased to say it's a tick in the box and another happy tecwork customer. So if anybody needs any advice on telecoms, 25 years experience, you could do far worse than giving us a call. Thanks and have a great day.